Ever felt like your remote team is speaking different languages? Scattered tools, endless Zoom zombies, and that out of sight, out of mind culture rot? This pack slaps. Async communication frameworks like Slack SOPs and Notion KBs into your workflow. We're talking daily check in templates with sentiment tracking, Zoom fatigue busting ceremonies, and virtual team building that's actually fun. Burnout alerts? Real time productivity dashboards? Yep. Built for engineering managers, marketing directors, and startup founders drowning in async chaos. Spoiler, it's cheaper than your therapist's hourly rate. Here's what's inside the Remote Team Management Pack: async communication frameworks with Slack SOPs and Notion KBs, daily check in templates with sentiment tracking, virtual team building workouts that beat mandatory fun, burnout risk alerts with Jira integration, productivity dashboards tracking WIP limits and meeting ROI. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Because your team deserves better than "this is fine" chaos. Installing the Remote Team Management Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add remote team pack. That's it. You get Slack SOP blueprints, Notion KB structures, and Zoom ceremony playbooks. Your next Claude code session auto detects the pack, and your AI assistant now groks async workflows, burnout signals, and culture metrics. No PhD in spreadsheetology required. Now go fix what remote broke before someone else does.